In today's video, I'm going to share with you some updates in the PPP application process. Who can qualify for funding and who can't. There's been some rules which have been very advantageous to rideshare drivers. I'm also going to share with you how I applied through a company called Womply, and I was able to apply within 30 minutes. All right, very quick, and I'm going to show you step by step how to go through that. And stick around, because towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you exactly how much I can qualify for. It's pretty exciting, and I think you'll be able to quickly figure out what you can qualify for. So stick around for that. Hey everybody, it is Jay Cradeur with the Rideshare Guy, making a guest appearance video. I came back from Thailand, and I got an email from the Rideshare Guy, and it had a little post, a little advertisement about a company called Womply. So I shot a little email over to Harry, and I said, these guys do a good job. He said, well, why don't you go ahead and apply and make a video about it? I said, okay. So that's what this is. So I'm going to jump off here and go onto my computer, and I'm going to show you step by step how easy it was and quick it was to apply through Womply, because they've really made it very focused on those of us who have driven for a living. All right. And because of the new PPP rules, we can actually apply and get some money. It used to be that the amount of money we could get was based on your net income. Okay. So that would be all the money we make, but then we get all those deductions primarily for mileage, which brings our money down to very, very little. Okay. But they changed the rules recently so that it's not based on income anymore. It's based on your revenue. So for my 2019 taxes, my net income was like less than $1,000, but my revenue was around $65,000. So that's a big difference. And as you're going to see in this video, it makes a big difference in how much money I could qualify for a PPP loan. And remember, a PPP loan is not like the other loans. This is 100% forgivable as long as you take the money and you use it for certain specific needs. Primarily, most of us are going to use it to pay ourselves money. So paying payroll, that forgives the loan. So in essence, this can be like free money for you. So that's why it's very exciting what this company's doing to make it easy for us, the rideshare drivers and delivery drivers, to qualify and to apply. So there'll be a link below the video that you can click to go and apply yourself. And let's jump right into it. All right, so if you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page where it says Rideshare Guy and Womply Start. And you're going to click that second choice there. My business does not have multiple employees. Then you just fill out this first page with some very basic information, okay? And then it's going to ask you if this is right for you. For most drivers, it is absolutely the right way to go. So you would just hit apply fast. All right, then it's going to send you a link in your email. Then it's going to ask you to verify with your phone number. They're going to send you a text, a number, which you're going to have to put in. And every time you go back to the website, they're going to do this, so your stuff is safe. Here's a little warning, okay? So I took a screenshot of virtually everything I went through in this process. Stay secure, just letting you know that they're on top of your security. What to expect, okay? So what kind of documents and things they're going to be looking for. Confirm that everything that you're going to say and contribute is accurate, okay? I skipped, but it's up to you if you want to. Then you're going to have to pick your bank. They're going to hook up your bank so that when you get the loan, the money goes right into your bank account. They're going to ask you to give the login information, and then you're good to go. Okay, so you're going to enter that information, and then when you get the loan, the money will go right into your bank account. That's pretty sweet. I liked all that. It's going to tell you what documents you're going to need. In my case, it was the 2019 tax return Schedule C. That's all I needed. The only document I need is the Schedule C. So it's 2 pages. and they're going to ask you to double check the document before you upload it. And then you're going to upload it, and it's going to tell you that that document was uploaded successfully. Okay, great. Are you a farmer? No, I am not. Okay. Okay, so here they're going to ask you what's the revenue from your Schedule C. So in my case, it was around $65,000. So if you want to figure out what you could get, take your amount. So in my case, it was $65,000. That's my revenue. Okay, again, not your income. Okay, it says again, line 7 from your Schedule C. You take that number and you divide it by 12. Okay, that would be your monthly revenue. Then you multiply that by 2.5 because they're going to give you enough to cover you for 2.5 months. And that comes out to about $13,500. And that's what I thought I would qualify for. It was $13,500 some dollars. Okay, so that's how you can calculate your number. Take your revenue, divide by 12, multiply by 2.5, and that's what you'll get for your first draw. All right. So then it's going to ask you. This is where it's really customized for us. Right. We're just going to click taxi service, Uber, Lyft. All right. Make sure you got that right. And they're going to verify that you got the right documents. Okay, again, 2019 for me, Schedule C. Have you received a PPP loan before? No. I applied, but then I withdrew because the amount was so small. Okay, because it was based on your net income in the past. Now check this out. I didn't realize I could get 2 draws. So the first draw is the $13,000. Second draw is $13,000. Total $27,000. All right, and as long as I take that money and I pay it to myself, that's basically free money. Okay, this was so amazing about this. All right, and then they're going to do a final review where below that would be all your information. You understand about the first and the second draw, so you want to read that and make sure you understand. Right. This whole process took about 30 minutes for me because I had to pull together the tax documents. Then they give you a nice little overview, which I thought was great. Yes, submit my application. I submitted. Okay. And then congratulations, they received your information. That's great. And you're going to get an email that's going to tell you that they received your information. Okay. And then they're going to get back to you. And they did get back to me. Asking me for a little more clarity on a few things. All right. Awesome. All right. So what are the key takeaways here? Well, as you can see, the process is pretty simple. Okay. That's the key takeaway. The second key takeaway is there's some significant money to be gotten. I didn't know I could do a first draw and a second draw, which comes up to like $27,000. That's a significant amount of money. When I was driving, I would be making $2,000 a week. That's like 13 weeks of driving, right? So the money is substantial. And third, I guess the company makes it really easy for you to apply, okay? And then they'll get back to you if there's anything further that they need. In my case, they needed some further identity, which I just gave them that today, okay? And you know, I don't have any results to report yet, but when I do, I will certainly make another video and let you know what the results were so that you can keep up. All right. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet to the Rideshare Guy's YouTube channel, subscribe. This is a great channel, right? Gets you lots of information, and it's always entertaining and just so much information. It's just a deluge of good stuff. So definitely subscribe. Thanks so much for watching the video. It was great to make it. And I'll see you next time. Be safe out there. Bye-bye. This is Jay Cradeur signing off.